I had a different mindset about crypto. I didn't know a lot about it. I jumped in on the highest point. I made some money, but I lost also some money.
But you began with a very small amount, right?
Yes.
How much was that, 2,000?
I trusted the wrong people.
That's a hard learning though.
Yes.
How much did you lose overall?
I think nearly, but you need to have losses. You need to embrace them too.
In trading, for sure, yeah.
You have to embrace them.
If you're a parent and you're starting out and you want to do it, maybe you want to teach your children as well, but you don't have a lot of money to start, is that important or is it how you play the game?
It's really good. It's simple to do and you can add some money in your daily life. I love it now and that's what I enjoy.
What helped you move past any of those doubts you might have had, also about yourself?
The inspiration you give. And also, I think it's really a challenge to inspire people or to show them they have to listen. Their ears should be open, and not always their ears are open. It's really an interesting idea. How can you reach them? You have to trigger something what they really need.
And what do people really need? So Jolanda, if someone would have told you a few years ago that you'd be making over £100,000 profit in cryptos and let's say 8,000 in stocks, and they asked you that a few years ago, how would you have reacted at the time?
I think I won't believe it.
Why not?
At that time, a few years ago, I thought it was scam. I thought it would not go that far. No, the cryptos, doubting about it, risk, yes. I had a different mindset about crypto. I didn't know a lot about it. And what I also did, I entered in 2021 because I saw everybody has made a lot of money on cryptos. I jumped in on the highest point, and I made some money, but I lost also some money. And I just did what everybody did at that moment, or not everybody, but
yeah. But it's a classic. It's a classic.
I want to have some money too.
Because you didn't have a strategy?
I didn't have a strategy at all.
Oh.
And my son, he did the same, and he heard it at school, and he said, "Mama, I go in." He got some money from his grandfather, and he put all the money in, and it went down.
Okay.
And what I did, I didn't sell my coins. And at that moment, he sold everything. And I said, "Oh, don't do that. Sell them to me." He refused.
Wow.
He just wanted to have the money.
Okay, but then you learned the strategies. Okay.
Yes.
And then in 1.5 years, you made 1,200% on one crypto.
Yes.
How does that feel?
Great. You have to celebrate that. I did that, and I was, yes, proud of myself, and also proud that I could trust myself again, but also trust on a strategy, so that I don't do something out of the blue, but there is a strategy behind it. And if everything goes down or up, I still keep to the strategy, and that helps so much.
But you began with a very small amount, right?
Yes.
How much was that, 2,000?
Yes, a little bit, 2,000, a little bit more. And I was really frightened because I lost a lot of money. And I was scammed several times. And I trusted the wrong people. But also I trusted myself more than a strategy. So also it was also to blame on myself.
That's a hard learning though.
Yes.
How much did you lose overall?
I think nearly 50,000 K.
But also, it's not just the money. It's then how do you start feeling about yourself when you get scammed once? How many times did you get scammed?
I think 3 times. I'm, how do you say, a donkey like that?
You could call it a donkey, or in NLP they call it a 3-time convincer. You need to be convinced 3 times.
Oh, that's a good idea, because
better than a donkey.
Yes, I thought a little bit about a donkey, but I needed to learn it the hard way, and that's how it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then, so what would you say, like, if you were talking to a parent, you started with 2,000, you made over 110,000, and this is just the start.
Yes, but I started with 2,000, and I need to be clear. First, I had to see if your strategy was good.
Yeah.
First, I had to need more experience. First, I need to see results. And then I add. And I add every week. And then I said, okay, 2,000. Yes, 2,000, because I had some more money. So I said, okay, now I trust it. Yes, I see it. Okay, now I add some more money. So on my bank account, you see 2,000, 2,000 off, 2,000 off to my account.
Yeah, but this thing about compounding is amazing. But to keep adding money to it, I mean, we say monthly, but hey, if you want to do it weekly, that's even better. No one does that.
I think a lot of people who are with investment mastery are doing that.
I mean,
really,
out there.
out
there. Yes, because it makes sense.
Yes,
but I'm talking about out there in the real world, as it were.
But some people get that immediately, and others, they don't get that.
No.
So
but do you think that if you're a parent and you're starting out and you want to do it, maybe you want to teach your children as well, but you don't have a lot of money to start, is that important, or is it how you play the game?
It's how you play the game and just start. Because if it is a big amount or a small amount, if you have the right mindset and you start with it, just do it. You said that. Learn, do, teach. So it's the first is learn, follow the strategy, do, open an account, do it in real. Small amounts, but start, and then teach to your children.
Mm.
I loved it.
Yeah.
But sometimes the ears of my children are not that open.
Are they donkeys?
They're family.
They're family, that's it. They're family. You got to watch out there.
Yeah.
What went through your minds when you see these kind of returns, like 300% on a stock? That was Palantir, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what goes through your mind? 300%. That would be 100 years in the bank.
Yes. I see them as really separated. The bank is what you get and what you get there. But when you compare, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's really amazing. And I was happy, and I celebrated that. And I celebrated it also with you in November.
Mm-hmm.
And
at the members meeting?
At the members meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was really good.
But amazing, does that mean amazing, great, I'm going to do that again? Or is that, is it unbelievable?
It was for me unbelievable. I never had that before. And then it was also for me, how much am I going to sell? And am I going to share that with Investment Mastery?
What, the profits?
Yes. You asked for it, but I was thinking, I don't. The others will be much better. So it was.
What do you mean share? Like give me the money, like the profits?
No, share it on what you asked for on the members meeting. Share it. What you did.
The information. It's important to inspire the others.
Yes, but that was not how I work before. I thought, no, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
Why?
You should not be.
Like boasting, like, oh, look at me?
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
I don't want that.
Oh, you think, oh.
I'm a person, I prefer to be on the background.
Yeah.
And for me to say that I have a win, it's really challenging.
How interesting.
I'm doing it now on social media, on Facebook, but not always.
It's all mindset. Wow.
Yes, I have a lot of things in my mind.
Okay, but you've obviously, look, though overall you've made a lot of money, right? Hundreds of thousands. But not every trade is profitable. So let's talk about losses. So how do you manage that from a mindset point of view, the losses?
At first I try to avoid them. And then I look the other way.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm very good in that.
I like the first one, doing everything right so you don't have losses. But then once you have a loss?
Yes, then I look the other way.
Thank goodness.
I stopped with that too.
Thank goodness we have a stop loss. Yeah.
Yes, and I stopped with that too. And now, at the moment, I'm in a loss with CHLCE.
Is it Celsius?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm in a loss with that.
I think we all are.
Yes, and I'm thinking, do I have to take this loss or not? And I'm thinking about it a lot. And then today I was in the mood. I said, I have to cut my losses, and I have to put that in other things what are doing well.
Yeah.
So I go and sell it.
Interesting. Have you sold it?
No, I'm still here.
You're still. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
It has gone up a lot recently. A lot. That's what.
Yes, I think I'm with 5% or something negative. So yes, let it go, I thought.
Let it go as in carry on? Or let it go as in cut your losses and goodbye?
Yes.
And put that money into some energy that goes up?
Yes. Maybe Apple, we discussed today.
Yeah, if it comes back down again, absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. What moment or realization made you say, look, I need to make a change. I need to take investing seriously, not just a hobby?
When I made good results and when I really enjoyed it.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought, wow, I want to learn more. This can't be that easy.
So, hold on, you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it.
Uh-huh.
And it can't be that easy. So I thought, okay, I try it another time. And I try it another time.
What is it about it that you enjoy?
To search. When I go to CM, it was first very difficult for me, really.
The contrary momentum strategy?
Contrary momentum strategy.
Okay.
Strategy, yes. It was really tough for me. And there was no click. Not at all.
Click, click.
Yes, it was. But maybe it was too simple for me that I thought, this can't be true.
Yeah, yes, I like that.
I
like that. That's what we should say to people. Say, it's so simple. You're not getting it. It's too simple.
And I thought, I don't trust it.
Oh.
And then at one moment I was in London. And then one of the community, he said to me, we go through it. And I bought some Ethereum at one moment. And it was still on my account, but I didn't know how to close or I didn't know what to do with it. Mm. And then he explained it to me and I thought, wow, this can't be that simple.
It's really simple.
And I made 34% with it.
Nice.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
We just actually got out of a trade because obviously Bitcoin went all the way back up. And so we were in that contrary momentum. Yeah, it worked. I mean, it's got a very good track record.
It's really good. It's simple to do. And you can add some money in your daily life.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
I love it now. And that's what I enjoy. So in the morning I look, is there something down?
Yeah.
Is it lower than 30%? Yeah. No.
Damn it. You know, that's really interesting because you're actually looking for something and you're looking forward to something and have joy in something where other people are like, it's down 30%. And you're like, oh, is anything down 30%?
Yes.
That's
it's
fantastic.
Really interesting. Yeah.
So what was life like before investing? But before you started, financially, emotionally, day to day?
Financially, reasonably good. I worked quite hard because I thought you need to work hard and you have to earn your living. And 2 children not at home anymore, but the house, I do it on my own. So it was, working hard. Yeah. Not so much time for myself, for my loved ones.
But that's interesting. Now you're spending how much would you say you spend a day on investing?
I think 2 to 3 hours.
A day.
Yeah.
So how interesting is that, right? So you said before, not so much time, and now you're spending 2 hours a day.
I love it.
Because you love it. How interesting. We always make time for what's important to us.
Yes. And also when you do it in a community. So also with your buddy groups.
Connection.
It's a lot about laughing, but mostly it's about helping each other to grow more and more and more.
Did you say loving or laughing?
Laughing.
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 So you have a lot of laughs in your buddy group?
Yes. How?
Who's in your group?
The depends. I have a lot of groups.
Yeah?
But in the morning groups...
What's the funniest group?
Oh, and the serious group, the 2 in the morning.
No, but which one is the one where you laugh the most?
We cry and laugh.
You cry or
laugh.
you laugh so much you cry?
We cry and laugh. Yes.
What is this group? Who's in this group?
We're sharing
Is
emotions.
it like Amanda and Virginia? Is it that lot? No, somebody else.
No, it's with Frida, it's with Peter, it's with Guido.
Okay.
And the other group is with Tiboko. And with Tiboko we laugh a lot.
Yeah?
Because yes, we think, wow, are we so like this that we doing it like this? And then we learn.
Yeah, that's
and
funny.
we learn and we grow.
Yeah.
And that's also what I do in the earlier group. And then we are expanding on trading, learning about trading. Yeah. Help each other to grow.
Sure. Because trading is something, again, slightly different.
Yes.
I think there's investing and then contrarian momentum. Still not trading because you don't have a stop loss.
I know.
So, but it is a little bit more trading. And then there's trading.
Yes.
Risking only 1%. But it builds a little bit on top of each other. Yeah. So tell me, as a mother.
Yes.
Okay, what's your interest in investing and trading as a mother? Do you want to get your kids involved?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love to have them involved, but I think you have also your children.
Yeah.
And
they're not
sometimes
interested.
Sometimes they listen, and sometimes they don't.
That's right.
So for me, it is very important to leave them alone.
Mm-hmm.
And
very wise.
Yes, really. But just to show them what I'm doing. And in the beginning, they were really, really like, no, we don't do that. Also because my son lost a lot of money with it.
Well, hold on. Not with our strategies.
No, with his own strategy.
Okay, let's just be very clear about that.
Yes, really.
So he's been stung.
No strategy.
Well,
no strategy.
Yeah.
Yes, just FOMO. And now I'm helping them. They opened an account, but they're not interested. But they have something on their account. They see it grow, and I let them go. Yeah. And I just show them.
So tell me, you don't want to do it for them?
No. I want them to learn it themselves. And then they can teach their children also.
Yeah.
I really
No, but what I mean by that is interesting. I know what you mean. Like, let them, but while they're thinking about doing it properly, could you obviously, with their consent, log into their account, move things around a little bit, help them a little bit?
I can, if I want to. Yeah. I can do that.
Yeah.
But I asked them, and if it is all right, and yeah.
And then they see the result in their own account. They go,
they're interested.
Yeah. Can you carry on doing that? And you say, no, now you need to learn.
That they're not that far because they are in the middle of having their work, having a relationship, wanted to see them friends, wanted to drink, wanted to have parties. Yeah. They're in another area or in another...
Sure. Another stage in their life as well. A different
really
stage.
Are.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And I hope I can leave. I am a role model in this area. I really hope that.
Yeah.
But we will see.
Yeah.
And also, what was very funny, my brother, he really wants to do it also.
Okay.
For me. He said, you are working so hard. Okay, I open also an account. I said, okay.
What you mean to support you?
Yes, to support me and say, okay, Jolanda, you're doing great work.
That's what your kids should do.
This was really funny. He is a pilot, and he was really opened it, and it took him 3 months to get it really open. Yeah. And then he finally opened it, and then he said, okay, put things. Is it so easy, Jolanda? I said, yeah.
Simple, but not easy.
And he said, wow. But then he was...
But you know, pilots, they have a lot of disposable income.
I know.
And they have a lot of time.
Yes, but they want to spend it on otherwise, in another direction.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think it is important that people are interested or they are not.
How do you get people more interested, though? Because I think that there's always the pain and pleasure, right? But I think if they understood later, if nothing changed in 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, Have they actually worked out how much it's actually going to cost in 30, 40 years with inflation? Have they really worked that out?
No, they are not interested.
Yeah, that's fine, but then later on it'll be too late.
I know, but then I think it's really a challenge to inspire people or to show them they have to listen. Their ears should be open, and not always their ears are open. So it's really a challenge.
So we want it more for them than they do for themselves.
Yes, but it's really an interesting idea. How can you reach them? How can you invite them to this? And quite often they think this is boring. Don't bother me with that.
It is boring.
It's the same like compounding.
Yeah.
I shared.
Well, actually, I think it's really exciting, but I mean, it's boring. Like, as in, you look at it, it hasn't moved. Next day, it hasn't moved. Next day, it's gone up. The next day, it's gone down. It hasn't moved, you know? So that part's boring, but it's surely the end result is exciting.
Yes, but how can you invite them or inspire them to look at this? It is really interesting.
Yeah.
Because of a lot of people, it would help a lot of people.
This is why we're interviewing people like you, I think, inspiring them.
Yeah. Yes, I'm doing it, but on a very small scale.
Small scale, 100,000. Well, it depends who you talk to. For some people.
But the people I'm talking about it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's what I mean with a small scale. Yeah.
Okay. So it's not easy to trust something new, right? Especially, like you said, you were scammed several times, not just once, right? What helped you move past any of those doubts you might have had, also about yourself?
The results I made, the inspiration you give, and also Dennis on the workshops. And I hear then the testimonials, but also the whys, and I can feel them where they went through, and they are also continue. They're not giving up. They have a goal. So that really helps me to cover.
So you're inspired by that.
I'm so inspired.
Do you know what I
really am.
What we're seeing coming through now more and more is people who've been with us for more than 1 or 2 years.
I'm too.
And their results. That's at the beginning, people don't realize, oh, I started with 2,000, I'm on 4,000, so I made 2,000. No, you made 100%.
Yes.
But it's just 2,000.
Yes.
Yeah, but wait.
Yes, and I think it's also very important how you reach the people to never give up. Because I want to quit quite often, and how you can still be there. So for me, it was the workshops. Really. Then after 3 days, I was fully in again.
As a participant, or now you're crewing? So which one?
Both.
Interesting.
Yes, and it really helped me. Yeah, that's so inspiring. And then I thought, oh, I know it now. Okay, I can start again.
Why do you crew?
I love to help, to support, but also to learn. And really, the questions people ask, I never could imagine that.
Yeah. You say, okay, I need to get the answer now.
Yes. And I would never thought about it. But on the other hand, I think, wow, I need to look at it. Yes. And also, again, with the crew members, we help each other. Sometimes I really don't know the answer, and the other crew members help me to give the right answer. So it's really nice. Yeah. I learned so much I never thought I would learn.
What would you say to a parent who was kind of a little bit worried about money? What would you say?
Start now. Start now. Go and find a trustworthy, I think like Investment Mastery, a trustworthy company. Start with the strategies. Start small. Build confidence. Continue.
Keep adding.
Keep adding what I did before. And also try to get your children with you. It's really, yes. Sometimes, yeah. It's really great for them.
Absolutely. Doing it together would be very cool.
Yes,
right?
yes. And what's for me is also, I'm doing it now, and I just texted to a lot of people that I'm here now, and I make a good profit, learning, growing, doing, teaching. I got so many interested people around me.
Actually, you said something. You said that you're a cleaning lady.
Yes.
Tell me about the cleaning lady.
Yes, my cleaning lady, she is working with me. And while I was doing that, and she is cleaning, and I was with Investment Mastery, and I'm doing some body groups. And then she was interested and asked me if I could help her. And she has only a very small amount. And she added that, or I helped her to open an account. And I give her some lessons or teachings. What about crypto? What is crypto? And where to invest in? What I do? Maybe you can, I give a list. I'm in this. And choose what you want.
And then buy low and sell high.
That's what I add.
Not the other way around.
And it was so beautiful because I told it a lot of people before, but she got it immediately. And she said, okay, she put in 250. And afterwards, I think a month later, she came to me, Jolanda, I want to add more. I said, wow. She said, I want to add 20 euro every week. I said, wow. And then she said, I noticed the prices are low. I want to enter again.
Mm-hmm.
Please, can you help me? And can you say, where are you in? And then I said, wow, she is doing it.
And what are the results?
She went in with 250 and she added 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. And now she's around 750.
It's fantastic.
It's really great.
That's a start.
Yeah.
People say, oh, it's only so percentage-wise amazing.
Yeah.
But also, it's the start. Because, like you said, just start. It doesn't, like, oh, but I don't have a lot of money. Start!
Yes.
Right? So that you're ready when you have some money.
Yes, but also add.
Yes.
And really feel it. And she looked at it several times a day. I said, don't do that, because it went down. And she entered, she said, no, only could look once a day. It's enough. But she really understood it quite well, immediately.
Yeah. And how long do you think she spends a day?
She's only looking.
Yeah. Maybe a minute or two.
Yes.
Well, you don't.
Nothing more.
No. Most people.
I'm really grateful for her. I really love this.
Yeah.
Really. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I'm sure she's grateful as well.
So,
yeah. I have a totally different question.
Okay.
Okay. Why do you, first of all, tell me, what do you think about the Gold Fast Track program?
The Gold Fast Track is really good. It helped me to be accountable. But the accountability was really triggered with me with Dennis. So that was really good for me. And the body groups. You are in body groups and we help each other to grow. It helped me not to give up. And yes.
People are relying on you. You can't give up.
No. No. And that's really good. And it takes me a little bit more and more out of my comfort zone. And I learned so much about myself. And that's really tough. And I saw that I was not teachable. And I really started with 2 accounts. One according to the strategy of Investment Mastery and one of myself, because I still want to have my own.
Yeah, people do that. Why?
Yes.
Why? But they do that, yeah.
Well, I think I know it better.
Okay.
Okay. I wasn't. And then at that moment, I was making a lot of profits on the account with Investment Mastery. But I had the other account also. I did some strategy, but not that good. And I was losing. And then at one moment, I was talking to one of the trainers or to Eamon. And I thought, ask him, what can I do with it? I'm so struggling with this item. And then he said, well, maybe it's just a suggestion. Yes,
Yeah.
difficult word.
Yes.
And and he said to me, "Okay, Jolanda, maybe close that one, and the money what is still there, put it on the other accounts." And I said, "No, Eamon, the markets will come up. I know."
It's good that you know that. Call me next time.
It never did.
No.
I lost all my money. It was to zero. Yes, and then I saw this is a pattern that is more often in my life.
That's good.
I don't want to let go, and I don't want to have losses.
Yeah.
But you need to have losses. You need to embrace them too.
In trading, for sure. Yeah.
You have to embrace them.
But that's why the CCA and the VCA strategy are so great, because they're really for people who don't like losing, because you can stay in.
Yes, that's for sure. But also sometimes you have to give up.
Yeah.
And say, okay, I take my...
like your Celsius.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to. You have to.
Yes, I want to. I do that.
Yeah.
No.
Very good. Tell me, why do you think, though, that some people, when we offer it at the workshop, and everybody really wants it, right? They look at the price, they go, whoa. And some people, they have the money, or they could get it, on a payment plan, but they won't even fill in the form. They won't even fill in the form to talk to somebody. Why not? Why do you think that is?
I think they are afraid of the salespeople.
Mm-hmm. But are our salespeople that hard?
No, not at all. But people are afraid of salespeople, and they go and say to you, "Do it, do it, do it." And I think that's scary. And it's a lot of money. It really is. It was also for me. But the things I've got out of it is, without question, the best course I get.
Was fantastic.
Yes.
But it's not just the money you made, but also the rest of it as well, right?
The mindset is for me the most important. And I did a lot of other courses, Avatar, Thinking into Results. It's all add up, but this part is also so good. And yeah, I'm growing and growing, and I think everybody needs to do that.
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
Yes.
Do you see it as a cost or an investment?
Investment.
In what?
In myself. And also what I give as a legacy to others. Really, really, really. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And I really hope that people, make that choice. Yeah.
Well, to at least talk to us to see whether it's the right thing for them, because it might not be. We say to some people, "I don't think this is right for you," or "It's not the right time," and we've actually thrown people out as well.
That's good.
People don't think that. They think, "Oh, you just offer it to everybody." No. I remember at least twice, where it was just like, "This is just not right for this person. It's just not." There's no point. We're just wasting their time, our time, everybody. So, and it's not fair on the others either.
No.
The cohort that goes through.
No, because then they will be very disappointed, and that should not so.
Yeah.
Should not be so. No. But I think when you are really interested and you are thinking, I want to make a move, or I want to have a wealth beside my job, I would advise it immediately.
I think it's important to have something, not just this one source of income, your job.
Yes.
Because you never know.
Oh, yes. I had a lot of things, and I had a lot of accidents, and also my health is not that good. So, yeah, it's really good to have something beside your job. And you have always a choice when you have the money for it, and then let's see what you want to do then.
Cash flow or growing your money for later? What's more important?
Both.
Yes.
I love it both.
Of course. But if you take the cash flow, then you shoot yourself in the foot not too much cash flow.
Yes,
not too much
yes.
Cash flow. But if it's there if you need it.
Yes, with CM and trading cash flow, and then a part of it goes to investments, and a part I want to live well.
So what do you think would have been your results, or what would have been different if you hadn't done the Gold Fast Track?
If I haven't doing the Gold Fast Track, I think I would be slower, for sure, and maybe I would have quit. Because I really need somebody who helps me, who coach me. I really need them. Before I was thinking about people with coaches, I was doubting. But now I see the value of coaches.
I can't do it without a
It is
coach.
really, really, really important.
If you want to be successful,
Yes.
absolutely,
Yes.
100%.
And they bring you to an extra level and to another level and then to another level. And that helps a lot.
So for the people that are yet to do the Gold Fast Track, they haven't done it yet, what do you think they're missing out on?
They miss the body groups. They miss what I said before, the coaches. They miss the inspiration and also the advanced courses. The advanced crypto course, the advanced stock course. Yeah, it brings you a workshop. It's not a course, it's a workshop. But it brings you also, again, on another level. It triggers you.
Yeah.
And people needs to be triggered. I think that's the answer on the earlier question
Do you
or
think
the
so?
earlier discussion we had.
The trigger?
How you can reach people. You have to trigger something.
Yes.
You have to trigger something what they really need.
Yeah. And what do people really need?
Trust.
Definitely trust, but not
Yes.
just in the service provider, but in themselves as well.
Yes, but also where they go and what they enter, the company they enter or the courses they enter.
Yeah.
They really need the trust.
Yeah. Well, this is partly why we're doing this interview as well, to inspire, but also so that people, when they see enough of these success stories, they go, well, okay, well, then it obviously works, right?
Yeah. I'm still thinking about the trigger because there are much more people who really wants to do it, but why not? I'm really thinking about that trigger.
Do you not think it's also because they're not quite sure whether they deserve to be financially successful and that they're worthy of it?
Yes. It's, I think, also scared, fear. It's something they don't know about. It's really, and everybody is warning them.
Yeah.
Because everybody is against crypto.
Mm-hmm. Still, nowadays?
My cleaning lady, she is not saying it to anyone. Yeah. She said it to her father and she heard a lot.
Sure, of course. Yes. But they're not wrong. If you go into some shitcoin, then he's right.
Yes.
You got to know what you're doing.
Yes.
In the intro, I said, she is now on a mission to resign early. Tell me more about that.
I already resigned.
Oh.
And that's not according to your rules.
Okay, so why then? Why did you? Because it's about, we just talked about this alongside too.
I know.
And now you've taken one away.
Yes.
Why didn't you go part-time? We've had plenty of people go part-time. Then you have the best of both worlds.
But I'm a workaholic.
Mm-hmm.
When I'm going for something.
So you stop working?
Yes. I go and do the best. And I can't stop.
Uh-huh. So there's no such thing as a part-time for you?
No, it's not working for me. I really want to do then the best of that. And then I don't have time for investments and trading.
You told me it's 2 to 3 hours a day. What do you do the rest of the time?
I think it's a little bit more.
Okay.
I go to the webinars, to the workshops, crewing, Q&As. So yeah, I think it's a little bit more. And in the morning, body groups.
Okay.
Yes. So
I think you're enjoying it too much.
No. I think that's what I forgot. I give some teachings too to people. And is now what I'm doing. My job is besides now it's investing and my job is now teaching. And I love that a lot.
Yeah.
So
sharing the information.
Yes, sharing the information and growing in that area. Yeah. But I also think I want to become a professional trader.
Why do you want to become a professional trader?
I like it. I like it more and more and more. So when I enjoy things, then I think I'm doing the right thing in life.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just about to launch, or we have just launched the CET, so our prop trading offer.
I saw it, yeah.
It's really interesting how people are, because you can do it not with one company, you can do it with 2 or 3 other companies. Let's say you have your own account, but at the same time you just dunk. I mean, there's no difference. You're dunk there, so you have an extra, let's say 2,000 here, but then you can do it on another one, make an extra 2,000 here, an extra 2,000 there. That starts becoming quite interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Yes.
OPM.
Yes.
Other people's money. That's really interesting. But it's still the same pillar. So if something happens in the market, you would never do a part-time something else?
Oh, yes, I'm looking at it. Yes, for sure.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. Then you can just like, okay, this is that, and this is this, and very cut, delineated. This is this, this is this. You have some money coming in here. Yes,
that's true.
You have money coming
that's
in here.
True.
Choice.
Yes, I'm looking at it at the moment.
Okay, so you do listen.
Yes.
You're not stubborn. You're not a donkey.
I remain stubborn, but I'm open to learn, for sure.
That's good.
Marcus, I want to end with a poem of Rumi, of Jolanda Rumi, and this one inspires me, and I think this is what represents it for me, what investment mastery is, and that is, yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I'm wise, so I'm changing myself.
Thank you. So true. Thank you. Jolanda's journey shows that with focus, daily discipline, and a clear vision for your family's future, financial independence is possible, both for you and your kids. What part of Jolanda's story resonated with you most? Let us know in the comments below.